Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to my automotive channel. I did it again. I've bought another car. I'm looking at it right now. Long story short, I've been looking for another classic car for the collection, something that we can drive further afield, do more miles in, because as much as I love my Chrysler New Yorker, it's a V8, it's 6.6 litres and it's very expensive to run. So I've been shopping around for a cheap, car that I can take to shows and everything, and use it as a daily at the same time. Be able to put baby in, because baby's due any time now. Due date's tomorrow. So I've been shopping around and I looked at Triumph Heralds. I really wanted to try Herald, and they're really easy to work on. If anyone's got one, you know what I'm talking about. You just take the bonnet off and away you go. Then I went back to my favourite brand, which a lot of you probably don't know, is Porsche. And I've had two already. I've had a 911 Targa and a 987 Boxster S. Then doing a few searches online and that, and watching a few videos on them, I thought, you know what, I might go for one of them. And at the time of buying this car, this was the cheapest Porsche for sale in the UK. As the time I put the bid on this car and won it, this was the cheapest Porsche in the UK. And when I think I paid more for our Renault Scenic a couple of months ago. So without further ado, here it is. Yes, I bought a Porsche 924. And I don't know if any of you watching this video probably seen this car for sale on eBay. And you've probably seen how cheap it was. And I put a bid on it and I come out on top. And I've cleaned it today just because I couldn't help myself. I wanted to do an unveiling of it and everything, but I wanted to clean it first. I will go through issues in another video, but I just want to unveil this car to you all, because I can't wait to make a start on it. But like I said, I gotta be careful because the baby's due tomorrow, so this car's actually gonna be parked up over here for a bit until we get settled and everything with baby. But look at this. It's not perfect, it looks perfect, but it's had a paint job and a very there's a few areas I've noticed already, which I will do a full walk around video for you all so I can point out everything. But straight away those wheels are going. I'm putting the original 924 wheels on, but look at it. The biggest problem with the car is actually, well, I would say interior, but no, as of this morning I found out there's something a little bit worse than the interior. But look at this, it's a mess, but I can tell you all now, this car is not going anywhere. This will be staying with me for a long time because I want to do a car myself. I want to customize it myself, not make it look like a chavvy car, but at the same time, like I did with Yugo, kept it original. My classic Fiat 500 for the new viewers. I kept it original, but I did do certain things with the interior, and I want to do the same here. So I'm going to have my own special interior done. Still keep it a 4-seater because, like I said, baby's on the way. But yeah, it's just, look at that, and the smell is lovely. The smell is probably mold, but I love classic cars. I just love the smell of them. There's hundreds and hundreds of things I got to do with this car, and I've already got a whiteboard in the garage that we're going to be doing a complete list of things to fits and everything. But look at this. This is one thing Porsche don't do anymore, as far as I'm aware. I know they didn't on my last two, but Porsche on the door, that's just stunning. I love it. It's great. It's an marble brown colour. I didn't like it in the pictures. I thought, I got to change all that. But it's growing on me. The dashes had a refurb because the dashes are known for cracking, obviously. I won't show you the engine bay just because I've got to do it all with one hand, but we'll do that in the other video because the engine is one of the things we do have to talk about. Oh, that's shut now. I say that's not shutting as well, but that opens. I've got the key for that. Yes, I do. Yes. That's the original Porsche key, but the covers come off. I think that's the right key. No. Bear with me. So it does open. I did try it this morning. It wasn't catching properly, and then all of a sudden it's catched. But little things like this I'll be doing more or less straight away. I'll just be taking it in the house with me whilst I'm doing stuff, but this is all come down here, so I'm guessing water's coming at some point. That's got to go. I just caught it a night rider light, to be honest. Spare wheels down here. I haven't checked all this yet, so this is all stuff I'm going to check, and then I'll do in the next video. This I believe is for the roof, which is very nice. I think it's for the roof, I might be wrong. It's a pop-out sunroof, which I'm going to pop it out in a minute and have a look. You also got the cover. I did not notice that. Yeah, that's not unwinding. So, you know, little stuff like that can be done. It obviously needs plates. This car has got a registration, but it didn't come with plates, and I did ask, and basically what happened was the car went for a respray, then it wouldn't start, and they struggled. I'm pretty sure the engine seized, but this is all stuff I want to learn and fit, so I got to deal with that. As it is for parts for these cars, it's not too bad. You can get them pretty easy. I noticed the lights don't pop up, so that's something I got to fix as well. But again, I'm not talking about that in this video. We'll do that in another video. But it's lovely. I love the design. I didn't want a red one, but it's just by chance this one popped up, and I was like, well, if I gotta have a red Porsche, I'll have a red Porsche. The original colour is like a silvery gold, a champagne colour, a bit like our Rover 416. But yeah, I love it. This is a fantastic looking car, and I can't wait to share more with you all on it. Please let me know your thoughts on this car. Like I said, videos will be a little bit slow because we got baby come in and everything. That's priority at the moment, but I couldn't say no to a bargain, and it's not going anywhere. It will be in that garage as soon as the Streetwise egg gasket's done, and the car will be worked on and get running. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and if you want to see more on this car, definitely do that, because there's going to be loads of videos. The whiteboard's up in the garage, like I said, so we're doing a list of known faults and everything. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye for now.